morning, guys. This is going to be a really cool video. I'm going to demonstrate for you guys two new products from Griots Garage. They're foaming polygloss and they're foaming surface wash. If you guys have gotten their newer catalogs, you've seen they've come out with three liquid products, and their own Boss foam cannon. Unfortunately, the foam cannon I was not able to achieve getting. I was able to buy both of these units, one off Amazon, one off eBay. They just completely sold out, and they're on back order till the end of September. So, believe it or not, you guys know a lot of the stuff that I use as far as soaps. You know, Chemical Guys Snow Foam, Glossworks, Matheson's Wash and Shine, and also the Mystic Snow Foam. Outstanding products. They all serve a different purpose. Some of them I use for maintenance washes. Some of them I use for really stuck-on debris and agitated washes where I have to use the wash mitt and everything else. But what's really interesting about these two products here is Griots, like I said, they've taken a hell of a long time to come to the market with a system like this, including they're offering now a power washer to go with it. And the trend of snow foaming has been around, God, like well over 10 years that I can remember. And like I said, it's really interesting that Griots Garage took all of this time and all of the market share that's been going to all these other companies, and they finally set up and did something like this. So, like any good product, like, you know, it just takes time. This is not stuff that happens overnight. They must have been working on this stuff for years, and they finally got it to where they want to release it to the public, and here we have it now. And we're going to start with the foaming surface wash, and this stuff smells exactly like a pina colada. It's unbelievable. And it's not a thick soap type of product. It's liquid, you see? And then you have an easy pour spout bottle. And believe it or not, which is something pretty cool, I never saw this before on any of their bottles. If you look here, they have the label now marked. So if you want to put it into your bucket or foam cannon, it's marked between 0 ounces up to 32 ounces on the bottle, which is actually really smart that they did that. So you guys don't need a measuring cup if you're not careful. And then with the easy pour spout, you just throw it in there, and you're going to get a pretty somewhat accurate measurement. So this one here says it's a pH balance to retain existing waxes, sealants, and coatings. It rids the surface of abrasive particles to help prevent wash-induced scratches and swirls. Dual layer foam extends dwell time and enhances cleaning action. So they're calling this a pH neutral snow foam for pre-washing, okay, as well as a synthetic and organic contaminant removal. This super concentrated formula prolongs the life of all waxes, sealants, and coatings, maintaining the best of show finish. So they're recommending that you use this in their Boss foam cannon because it has a metering valve. But what we're going to do, we're going to use the MTM foam cannon today, and they're recommending 1.6 ounces in the foam cannon. I'm going to probably put 2, just like I said, I don't know how I'm going to get 1.6 as far as measuring it that accurately without a scale because I don't have one on hand. But it's basically saying select your desired equipment, spray 3 to 4 feet from the bottom using slow, deliberate, overlapping passes, allowed to dwell 5 to 10 minutes. So we're actually going to really do that, and I'm going to fast forward the frames and we're going to see what it does. Do not allow product to dry on surface, and then rinse off with high pressure water and dry with a Griots PFM towel. It says tips of the trade. For optimum gloss and protection prior to drying, follow up with Griots foaming polygloss, okay, which is what we're going to do here. Now, their polygloss, this is like a final step. It's another foaming product, but it's supposed to intensify the gloss and give you guys hydrophobic protection, as you guys are seeing that there. So this is giving you dual foam technology, and this is giving you the hydrophobic protection. So this particular product, it says it enhances gloss surface slickness and provides durable protection, extends water beating properties of existing waxes, sealants, and coatings. Water shedding ability reduces drying time and keeps your vehicle cleaner longer. So they want you to do this with a dwell time of 2 to 3 minutes, whereas this is going to be up to 10 minutes. They also make another product that I don't have here. It's like a strip wash. I just don't use something like that. I don't need it, so I didn't bother trying to get that stuff for you guys. So the demo we're going to do today is on the Mustang California Special, the white car that I detailed a few weeks ago. The car has been driven in the rain. It's got a lot of contaminants on it. I'm going to move the camera over. I'm going to show you guys, and then we're going to go through both of these products, do a little demo, see how it shows up, see how the gloss intensity is on the white finish, and stay tuned because I'm going to be using this stuff on my car, and we're going to see how it does as well on the red GT350. So let me grab the camera and show you guys what we're working with. Alright guys, I'm just going to give you a little close-up. You could see this is the front bumper. You know, the car is definitely dirty. You could see it there. There's a lot of bugs. And it still has a lot of contaminant and rail dust. Okay, you can see that's the hood. Try to get in closer if you could see that. There's a lot of particular matter stuck on here. So this is probably going to be a good test, especially on a white car. You go down here. There's some grease on the bottom of the rocker because they're doing a lot of road construction. You can see a lot of the black soot from driving and letting it sit out in the rain. Go back up here, quarter panel. Got more bird droppings. You can see that the car is dirty. So according to the instructions, it doesn't say you to tell you to pre-rinse the car, and we're not going to. We're going to do it exactly as they're suggesting. All right, guys. So I got a little less than 2 ounces in my measuring cup here, going into the MTM foam cannon, and I tell you guys, this smells exactly like a pina colada. That's one thing, man. I tell you, getting this stuff to look and smell good is not that easy, because I'm going through it now with my own product line. And also, you could actually attach the MTM foam cannon to the Griots bottles, but without the metering system, that's probably not going to be a good idea. You're just going to waste too much product. Give it a couple of shakes. And like I said, guys, this is a concentrated formula. Both of them are. So it's not thick. I have no idea what this is going to do, if it's actually going to create some snow foam. I got the Kranza 1322. I got a real pressure washer with real gallons per minute. Let's strap it up and see what it does. All right, guys, let's rock and roll. Let's see what this stuff does. My initial thoughts are, oh my God, this stuff actually is a snow foam. I mean, you guys see it there. I'm going to move the camera around. We're going to... I mean, guys, the level of foam is freaking insane. Absolutely insane. As you can see it. It's unbelievable. Oh my God. And the smell, it smells like Hawaiian tropic suntan lotion, like a pina colada beach scent. It's absolutely amazing. I love the scent of it. Wow, this is really cool. So that's it, guys. We're going to wait about 10 minutes. We're going to let this stuff dwell. So far, I am extremely impressed at the foam intensity. I'm impressed at the dwell time that I see that it's given. It's a real slow runoff. And we're going to move the camera around. I'm going to fast forward this portion of the video. And, oh wow, look at this. Let me get the camera off the tripod to show you guys. See, on a white car, you can actually see this stuff. Look carefully. Okay, right there. Look at the way this foam totally broke up the surface tension and the debris that's on this car, especially on the back bumper. Look at this. Wow. This is freaking cool. Look at that. Look at the dirt running right off. I don't know, guys, but if this stuff really does what it's supposed to do, then you can't really give Griots a hard time for taking over 10 years to come out to the market with something like this, because game-changing products take time. I mean, look at this. And you can look here in the runoff. There's a lot of dirt in there. All the way here. Look at that. There's a lot of dirt. That's all the stuff that was stuck to the car. Forwarded this portion of the video just because we let it dwell for about 8 minutes. Now we're gonna rinse it off with the Kranza 1322. Let's see what this stuff is gonna do. Gotta get a close-up. Look at the runoff of all that dirt that came off the car. This stuff works, guys. It works damn good. Look at that. Look at all the dirt and the soap runoff. So we're over at the front bumper. And you guys could see it's clean, there's nothing there. Now, down here, could have used a little agitation. Down here, okay? And I'm doing it with my hand. So it didn't do that well down here. Now, on the hood, you guys could see it. It is spotless all the way through. Now down here, there's tar. There's some sort of grease or tar. That's not going to come out with a snow foam. That's going to take a solvent cleaner. So it got on the bottom of the car. It's most likely from the blacktop paving that's going on around here. Over to the quarter panel, all the bird droppings and all the staining is gone. And over by the deck lid, you know, this area gets really, really trashed with dirt. And you guys saw it as I foamed it, how it broke it all up. This is the final result. All I did, I blew dry it with the Ego blower. And I touched up a couple of spots with the PFM towel. Gloss intensity looks outstanding. Wax protection, we'll feel it. It feels like I just applied the 915. It doesn't have any squeaky surface feel anymore. It feels like I just waxed it, which that's important. Some of those other soaps in the market, they kind of take that away, but looks freaking incredible. autofanatic@yahoo.com, guys. Any questions, comments, post them below. I highly suggest you guys go out and you pick up both of these products there. If you don't love them, send them back. You will get a full refund, guaranteed. It smells incredible, works incredible. That's just what it is. I'm impressed. I think you guys will be too. And this stuff was a long time coming for Griots Garage, so give them props. They got their own chemical lab, they got their own chemist. I think they know what the hell they're doing. See you guys soon. Take care.